Hello and welcome to Stock Markets with KR. This is UR and I'm analyzing Bank Nifty and Nifty today. What a day! Blood bath all over. तो इस वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिएगा क्योंकि बहुत ही क्रिटिकल डिस्कशन होने वाला है with great trading insights. And I have always been a fan of supports and resistance lines. And see today where Nifty made a high just above the last support line, which became the resistance line. And then I did not have any lines. क्योंकि जब भी मैंने ये सब चालू किया था उसके तभी निफ्टी had started moving upwards from over here around 16,000 plus, and then I started drawing lines upwards. Unfortunately, I did not have lines over here, and even if I had any lines, it would not have mattered because Nifty was totally down. It was redness all over. Let's look at how the OHLCs were. And today I have highlighted OHLC because this is the first time after several weeks that OHLC is below 17,000, in fact below 16,500. Is the close 16,247. Down, open itself was down by 514 points. To be frank, I have never seen this kind of a negative day, friends. As far as market open is concerned, the only other day, probably ignoring the COVID days, I was not active in the markets during that time because I had some work, and that is the reason why I am seeing this kind of a fall in Nifty 500 plus point for the first time, and it ended at 800 plus points, which is very bad. And in fact, now as I'm talking, SGX Nifty is down further by 119 points, which means that 934 points की गिरावट है निफ्टी में. आपने कभी ऐसी गिरावट देखी है, friends? As sorry for this, I'm having tea as well with this recording, and this is what it is. It's redness all over. And let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty even more dramatic because today, let's look at this Bank Nifty. It has touched 34,000 plus levels. It has touched 35,000 plus levels, and it made a high at 36,708. तीन एरिया को उसने टच करके रखा है. Such a massive fall, down 2163 points, open itself 1300 points, और उससे भी 1800 पॉइंट की गिरावट और आ चुकी बैंक निफ्टी में. बहुत ही खतरनाक किस्म का. You see here, nowhere it made in the first candle itself. I thought that, oh, it is bad news is over. But then there was a continuous fall and only fall, nothing else. And here we are, Bank Nifty kaisa dikh raha hai? Let's look at that. Bank Nifty also slightly worse than Nifty because Nifty at least upper close hua tha. But again, once again you see S3 level, which is the last support level for Bank Nifty, uske upar hi usne resistance liya and then it just fell. It has been falling in the last 90 minutes. Bank Nifty has fallen, if you see from here, 36,000 से लेके almost 1,000 plus points की गिरावट है, 1,500 points की. This is very bad actually. And Nifty has fallen almost 220 points. Sorry, not here. I should have looked at over here. But if you can look at Nifty, that is what the fall indicates. India VIX is up 30%. It is 31.96 on close. The biggest fall came from 2 o'clock over here. And that is what butchered everything. Let's look at, while the thing is, let's look at India VIX. And kahan gaya India VIX bhai? India VIX is here. This is Bank Nifty hai, to Bank Nifty mein main India VIX nahi rakhta hu. India VIX is here, 31.98. तो ये जो 33 पे पहुंच चुका था in between, and that is what it is. Today's lifters and draggers, what a story. There was no positive sign at all on Nifty. There was no lifter. Nifty draggers काफी थे, but they contributed only 294 of the total 800, 500, 800 points odd जो गिरावट है. That means market wide there was negativity. And Bank Nifty also no positive, all negatives. Three banks alone have contributed almost 1356 points, which is a very big thing out of the total of 2300. So this is what it looks like. And देखिए निफ्टी कहाँ पे फेंका गया है निफ्टी को. It is coming towards the support level, and this is what is a problem area. It has breached RSI 40 on the downside on daily chart. Nifty Bank देखते हैं कहाँ पे है. Oh, Nifty Bank also has, it has even a bigger room to come down up to 34,018 level, which was a swing low. Will it come here? I don't know. It's quite possible. Okay, let's look at the Ritik stocks. None of them are in positive. You will be seeing only hanging man, hanging man. Jaise pheka gaya, 50 DMA broken. As far as access is concerned, let's sort this out alphabetically so that there is no viewing bias. Now come to HDFC. HDFC is, in fact, it is better than the others, I would say. HDFC Bank is the main dragger. Look at it and see beautifully, it has touched the Fibonacci level, and from there it has taken support. This is really a great thing, friends. This is what I like about Fibonacci, and this is the beauty of Fibonacci. देखिए यहाँ पे support लिया था, and mid-October में, and now in end of February, as today the series also expired, February series. What a bloody expiry today, February series की. और ये देखिए ICICI back in the zone, फेंका गया है, कहीं का नहीं रखा इन्होंने. And this is Infosys right on 200 DMA. Who would have expected Infosys to come down like this? But I had warned you over here that I don't like this structure of Infosys because it is not moving the way it should be. So I did not pick Infosys. And this, look at Kotak Bank. आज मैं ऊपर कल नीचे. This is how Kotak Bank moves. Reliance is the next one. Broken 200 DMA convincingly. SBI again hanging in the air, and TCS. जब लोगों की नजर है 4500 लेवल्स पे, ये 3400 पे आके अटक गया. And see, yet again Fibonacci level पे अटका हुआ है. This is the support area, 1, 2, and the third time it has come here. It has broken 200 DMA convincingly. I had mentioned yesterday or day before yesterday only that it has not broken since COVID days, but today it has convincingly broken 200 DMA. And I really don't know what is in store, going ahead. So today, and for a change, I'm not going to talk to you about how it is going to be tomorrow or so, because I really don't know. This war thing, I'm experiencing it for the first time, and I'm sure you people are also experiencing it for the first time. And this is what I have already spoken. You have seen Nifty का, ये भी मैंने आपको दिखा दिया. Today there is only positive is कि 3.5 को मार्केट खत्म हो जाता है, तो इसके लिए फर्दर गिरावट नहीं आई मार्केट में. And negative, there is no dearth of negative. It's negativity all over. Resistance and support levels with a folded hand. I am saying sorry, I'm not going to be able to draw the lines until this war thing gets over, and possibly only after Mahashivratri I may be able to get some better idea, because again on 1st of March there is a holiday, so anything can happen. Usually after holidays markets tend to gap down, and if they open gap up, they get sold into. Trading insights today, don't leave this video without reading this. I am telling you, this is my hard work. The best of the analysis that I have done comes here, and I have been looking at the markets since the last, now intensively since the last 1.5 years, but I have not seen any such insights which will help me, except from TR Sundar, who is an options master of option seller, but I still watch his videos because he gives great insights as well. So आप देखिए, ये देखिए, and tell me whether you are agreeing with whatever I have written over here. And if you don't agree, please give me feedback as well. Please do not hesitate. There is nothing to feel sorry about. Feedback should always be given, because even I would like to improve upon from where I am today. And how was your day today? My day was not good. Obviously, today I was caught on the wrong foot a couple of times, and that is what created a problem. And there is no harm. My view was invalidated more than twice. So there is no harm in admitting that, friends. And this is where we are. I'm concerned about LIC LPO. मैं तो पहले से बोल रहा था KR को कि it is likely to get listed as at a discount, because the way I'm getting pushed by LIC and others to link PAN and Aadhaar with this policy means that there is something wrong. They want to गले में पहनाना है उनको IPO वाला. And another insight over here is that from 28th of February, a new SEBI circular is going to come where you need to have 50% cash margin for pledge depositions in derivatives. This may have triggered the sell-off. I had read about this a couple of days ago, and this is what it is, friends. A bloody day. And as my, today's headline says, India wakes towers to massacre bulls, and indices had a free fall today. So that is it from my side, friends. If you have anything else, please do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Keep sharing the wisdom, and please let me know what do you think about this ongoing war. I may come out with a special episode over the weekend, and that will be a great thing to know of. Okay, friends, I will see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning. If you have made mistakes like me today, please do not get disheartened. Get back up, follow the right path, and you will be winner. Okay, goodbye.